In this video, I want to do a quick overview of the monthly passive income strategy with you for December 2022. And I'm going to talk about the return, the strategy I use, some of the stocks I use, and how does that compare to S&P 500. And personally, this is my retirement strategy, and this is what I use to replace my senior manager salary in one of the big four accounting firms. So within my free Invest and Retire community, I shared this post a day ago. For December 2022, my advanced monthly passive income strategy has a return of 8.67%. So that is fantastic. And this is actually exceeding my target of 3% a month. So when I'm looking at the strategy and I want to compare with S&P 500 to see what the monthly return is. So if I go to S&P 500, then here you'll see that for December 31st, 2022, the return is actually negative 5.9%. So if you're using a buy and hold strategy during this month, you would be losing 5.9% instead of gaining 8.67%. When you're starting with a monthly passive income strategy, I usually recommend people to aim for around 2 to 3% a month, which gives you around 20 to 30% return a year. And a basic monthly passive income strategy like cover calls or selling cash secure puts should be able to get you there. Now, one of the key differences between a long-term investing strategy versus a monthly passive income strategy is that a long-term investing strategy requires the market to go up for you to make money. Most of the people here on this channel will be mainly focusing on buying and holding, which doesn't work very well during a sideways market or a bear market. If I just pull up TradingView and I go to SPY, then here you will see that for the last 6 months or so, the market is quite choppy. So for S&P 500, it is mainly bouncing around this 360 to this 420 range. So if you're using a directional buy and hold strategy, then it's quite difficult to make money. So if you're planning to retire and you need retirement income that is predictable, then it's very hard to generate that during this period because, well, the market is not moving. It is still accumulating before taking off. So you're waiting for a breakout. So that's one of the drawbacks of long-term investing. That's why I created the monthly passive income strategy, because it is a more of a market neutral strategy, meaning that even if the stock is horizontal, slightly bearish, or bullish, I will be making the return I want. So this is really my retirement strategy. As of right now, I'm 32 years old, and I'm able to scale this monthly passive income account to replace my senior manager salary in one of the big four accounting firms. So for January 2023, I'm on track to exceeding my salary with this strategy. So if you want to be part of this free community, then you can click on the first link in the description below and you can join it. So let me just go through a couple of stocks I use to generate this income. So some of the stocks I use include T-Mobile, ADP, Apple, and Microsoft. So you can see these four are actually blue chip companies, very stable. And during this period, they actually didn't even go up that much. In fact, Apple went down significantly and ADP went down as well. But because my strategy itself is a market neutral strategy, meaning that as long as it stays within a certain range, I will make that profit. So that's why I'm able to generate 8.67% for this month with monthly passive income. So that is really the crux of a monthly passive income strategy that is market neutral. So if you want to learn more, you can go to the link in the description to attend the free webinar. It's the second link below. And if you want to be part of the free community, then you can click on the first link to join a free community as well. So I'll see you there. And if you have any questions, you can ask me there as well.